Forever alone.
Forever alone.
There is such a nice man.
There is such a nice man.
Named Tucson.
Named Tucson.
But gently.
But gently.
He's still alone.
He's still alone.
With 40 years later.
With 40 years later.
He's a reliable.
He's a reliable.
And hard-working individual.
And hard-working individual.
He always
completes work
in a timely
and
and accurate manner.
Because of his friendly manner
And cooperative spirit.
and cooperative spirit.
Is a pleasure
It's a pleasure
to work with.
to work with.
I always
I
feel
always
curious about him.
curious about him.
So one day,
So one day
I talked to him.
I talked to him.
Hey son,
Hey son,
do you
do you
want to
want to
go
go to
to
hotel
with me?
with me?
Hotel.
Hotel.
You think
You think
I'm toying?
I'm a toy?
No,
Oh no,
I just
I just
want to talk to you
want to talk to you
in the hotel.
in the hotel.
No,
No,
I feel very tired.
I feel very tired.
Hey,
Hey,
do you know?
do you know
So I look my eyes
your apple of my eyes
and many girls
and many girls
really want to become your girlfriend.
really want to have a girlfriend?
Why are you still alone?
Why are you still alone?
Is there anything the matter?
Everything is random.
I can help you.
I can help you.
Sure,
Sure,
but
but
that's fine.
that's fine.
Be strong.
Be strong.